Hey Rith, that was a fun class today, wasn't it?
Yeah, I really liked the speaking practice part. I think I'm getting better.
You're doing great. I like the group activity too.
Same here. By the way, do you do anything fun after class?
Not much. I usually go home and relax. What about you?
Oh, I usually find something fun to do. I like using my free time well.
I sometimes just lie down and listen to music. It helps me relax.
Nice. Music is great. I also like music. But I do other things too.
Like what?
I like to draw and sometimes I go cycling around the lake. It's peaceful.
That sounds nice. I don't cycle much, but I want to try it one day.
You should. It's fun, and it's good for health too.
You said you like music. What kind of music do you usually listen to?
I listen to rock and pop. Sometimes, I even sing along when I'm alone.
Ha ha ha! Me too. I mostly like pop songs. They are easy to sing.
Do you have a favorite singer?
I like Ed Sheeran. His songs are so calm.
Oh yes. I like Perfect and Photograph.
Those are great. I listen to them before I sleep. It makes me feel happy.
That's a good habit. Music makes everything better.
Do you read books, Rith?
Yes, sometimes. But not every day. I read more when I have a holiday.
I read at night, before bed. I like reading short stories.
That's cool. What kind of stories?
Mostly funny stories. I like to laugh before sleeping.
Laughter is good. I read adventure books. They take me to new places in my mind.
Sounds interesting. Any book you can suggest?
Yes. There's one about a boy who travels around the world. I can lend it to you.
Thanks, I'd like that.
On weekends, I sometimes stay home and watch movies.
Me too, especially if it's raining outside.
What kind of movies do you like?
I enjoy comedies. They make me laugh a lot.
I like action movies. I love the fast scenes and fights.
Oh, those are fun too. I watched one last Sunday. It had car chases and superheroes.
That's awesome. Did you watch it alone?
No, I watched with my brother. We had popcorn and soda.
Sounds perfect. We should watch a movie together someday.
Yeah, let's plan it next weekend.
Look at those kids. They play football every day after school.
Yeah, they have so much energy. Do you play any sports, Rith?
I used to play basketball with my friends. Now I mostly jog or do light exercise.
I sometimes play badminton with my cousin. It's fun, and we laugh a lot.
Badminton is great. It's fast, but it doesn't feel too tiring.
True. I also tried swimming, but I'm not very good.
You just need to practice. Maybe we can go together one day.
That would be nice. I want to get better at it. Is that your sketchbook?
Yes. I always carry it with me. I draw when I have free time.
Wow, that's cool. What do you like to draw?
Mostly nature, trees, people, and sometimes cartoons.
I can't draw well. My hands shake when I try.
Ha ha ha. That's okay. You just need to keep practicing.
Can I see your drawings?
Sure. Here's one of a mountain I drew last week.
This is amazing, Rith. You're really talented.
Thanks. Drawing helps me feel calm.
Have you ever played an instrument?
Yes. I play the guitar. Just a little.
Wow, that's amazing. I always wanted to play the piano.
You still can. There are many apps and videos to help beginners.
True. Is the guitar hard to learn?
At first, yes. My fingers hurt. But after a few weeks, it got easier.
What songs can you play?
Simple ones like Happy Birthday and some Khmer songs.
That's so cool. Maybe one day you can teach me. Do you usually do hobbies alone or with friends?
Both. I draw alone, but I play football or sing karaoke with friends.
Karaoke sounds fun. I've never tried it.
You should. Even if you can't sing, it's fun to laugh together.
That's true. What other group hobbies do you enjoy?
Sometimes we cook together or play card games.
I like that. Doing things with friends makes free time more fun.
Yes. It helps us relax and stay connected.
What do your weekends usually look like?
Saturday mornings I go jogging. Then I either meet friends or stay home and draw.
I sleep in on Saturdays. Then I clean my room and watch movies.
That's nice too. Sundays?
I usually visit my grandmother or go shopping with my mom.
Family time is important. I help my dad fix things at home.
That's a good way to spend the weekend.
Yes, it's about balance, some fun, some family, some rest.
Do you play online games?
Sometimes. I don't play too much now, but I enjoy puzzle games.
I like racing games. They're fast and exciting.
Have you played online with friends?
Yes, but only on weekends. My parents want me to limit screen time.
Mine too. It's okay to play sometimes, but too much is not good.
True. It's better to mix games with other hobbies.
Exactly. And games can be fun with learning too.
I feel like I want a new hobby, something different.
Like what?
Maybe something relaxing, like gardening or painting.
I heard gardening is great. You can grow your own food or flowers.
That sounds nice. Do you want to try something new too?
Yes, maybe cooking. I can't even fry an egg properly.
Ah, me neither. We can learn together.
Great idea. Let's start small, maybe noodles? If you had to pick just one hobby, what would it be?
I think listening to music, it helps me feel calm and happy.
That's a good one. For me, it's drawing. I feel peaceful and creative.
It's nice when a hobby makes us feel good inside.
Yes, it helps our mental health too.
I didn't think about it like that. You're right.
Hobbies aren't just fun, they make life better.
Look at all these books.
Yes, I love bookshops. Reading is a hobby that teaches you a lot.
I like hobbies that help me improve, like puzzles or language games.
True. Even watching documentaries is a hobby, and you learn so much.
I want to start writing a journal. Is that a hobby?
Definitely. It helps with thinking and even with English.
Then I'll start this weekend.
I'll try too. We can talk about what we write.
Sometimes I feel like I don't have time for hobbies.
I know that feeling. But we just need a little planning.
How do you manage?
I write my school and work tasks first, then I plan free time.
That sounds useful. Maybe I'll try that too.
Even 30 minutes a day for a hobby can make you feel happy.
You're right. I want to make more time for fun things.
Good. Let's both balance life and hobbies.
I had a good time talking today. I learned so much.
Me too. It's fun to talk about things we love.
Let's try a new hobby together this weekend.
Yes. Cooking, right? Noodles?
Ahaha. Yes. Let's buy ingredients and cook something simple.
Deal. Then we can draw the food after we eat it.
Perfect. See you Saturday.
See you, Chin. Take care.